This conference will now be recorded.
Hello guys, welcome to Kumar Consulting. So guys, once again I'm back with my interview question and answer session. And so first of all, we'll have a look on the question and then I'll explain the answer. So look at the question here guys. And the question is it possible to delete a master data permanently from SAP system? This question was asked in KPIT during interview from one of my students. I was planning to record it, and even there is one more reason to record this one, because recently, yesterday itself, actually, one of my student has made some R&D. If you look at here, this is the company code TM00, which I'm using for this training and all. So now here I have set up some GST related GL. This GL number 1006 is GST input I have created, and one of my student, what he has done, simply he has copied this as GST GL and created a different 1016 with the same details. Okay, so what is happening? This GL, this SGST input GL number 1016 will be treated as a duplicate of 1006. That's what I have specified. Do not make any experiment in my company code, because this is I'm using for training purposes and all. Now, so someone has created GL 1016, which is already set up. Hence, it will be treated as a duplicate of GL number 1006. So here, what I have to do, guys, now my requirement is to delete this GL number 1016 permanently. So is it possible? Is it possible or not? So why not to look at see this practically itself, so that you guys will be having a proper idea, and then I'll also give a proper explanations. So the question is, once again, is it possible to delete a master data permanently from SAP system or not? So we'll do one thing, guys. Let me log in and we'll have a look. Now, so yes, it is possible. If you talk about deletion of master data, yes, it is possible. How it is possible, I will let you know. Use FS00 first, and I'll show you which GL we have to delete. Okay, so now this is the GL number. GL number 1016, I have to delete it. How to delete it, guys? Permanently. So we can delete permanently by a transaction code OBR2. OBR2 is transaction code by which we can delete the GL. Not even GL, even customer and vendor also can be deleted. First of all, we'll have a look on this GL. Select this GL account. And what is the GL number? 1016. This is the GL number which we have to delete. Apart from this, deletion left here only for chart of account, or you want to delete for company code as well. So since every GL is going to be set up centrally, guys, it means it is going to be set up in chart of account also, and it is going to be set up for company code also. So you have to apply a check mark here in general master data in company code, with general master data in company code, and here give your company code. So if you give here company code, then what is happening? This GL is going to be deleted from chart of account also, and from this company code also. Test run is already, check mark is there. So first of all, you can execute. You can see here what is happening. So look at here, the record whichever reading. Here the all reading is there, that system is able to read. It means this GL is going to be, the information of this GL is going to be removed from these, all are the table. From these tables, it is going to be removed. Okay, so these many informations is system is able to read, and how many records are able to deleted by system. So the same is system is able to delete all the informations. Now here what you have to do, remove this test run and execute here. Yes, click on yes. Okay, so now this is a production run. It means deletion has been completed. We'll have a look here. Just come here, come back and click on update. So if you click on update, look at here that 1016 is gone. Okay, so guys, what I have done in OBR2, with the help of OBR2, I have deleted this master data permanently. But there is a condition. There is a condition. It's not like that all master data we can delete. Now let's suppose this HDFC Bank is there. Now if I want to delete this one, okay, let me check here, GL number 1000. Okay, and even if you execute the test run, execute here, company code TM will still contain the transaction data. If you press enter, then what is happening? Let me check here, execute, and then look at here, company code TM00 still contain transaction data. Okay, now this is an error message. This is an error message. It means what will happen? This GL, if you press enter, system is coming out of the screen. It means we are unable to delete the GL which is having any sort of transaction data. Okay, if you talk about GL number 1000, okay, this GL is already having transaction data, in the sense we have posted certain transactions against this GL FBL3N, and if you have a look here, the GL number 1000, give your company code, okay, and just execute. So look at here, several transactions we have posted against this GL. So not only GL, if any of the master data, if any of the master data is having is having any kind of transaction data has been posted, if any kind of transaction has been posted against that particular master data, then what will happen? Those GL, customer, vendor, whatever master data is there, is not possible to be deleted permanently. We can delete a master data permanently only if there is no any transaction has been posted against that particular master data. Okay, now we'll do one thing. So even as I said, like OBR2, use OBR2. Okay, in the same way, even we can delete customer and vendor master also. And there are some more things I have to explain here, guys, which is pretty unique. So now we'll do one thing. We'll set up a customer master /nxt01. We'll set up a customer master here. So let me give the account group TM00, press enter, and here, so give your company code and just press enter. Okay, now I'm going to give any name, just one, and very few details we have to do. We have to give, guys, I think this is the reconciliation GL number for this company code, and just save it. Okay, just save it. Now, so what is happening? This 231 100-231 is the customer master number, and if you want to delete here 100 and 231, this is the customer number. Here, this one also can be deleted, guys, very easily. In the same way, here you have to click on general master data with company code, with general master data in company code, which one? TM00. Okay, TM00. If you click on test mode is there, if you click on execute, you have not selected any master data. Okay, we have applied, we have to apply a check mark here on delete customers, and then you have to give the customer master number. Now click on execute, guys. In test mode we are giving here, just click on back button, certain log is created. So here also, whatever details are being read by system, this all are, system is able to delete all this information. Lots of tables are there, guys. Now click on back button and you can delete it. Okay, so now it is production run in the sense, like we have deleted this master data permanently. Click on back button, or else here itself just come back. The customer number is 100231. So XD03, and we'll check. Look at here, this is the customer number and this is the company code. Press enter. Now the customer has not been created. It has been created just now, guys, but just now we have deleted also. And how we are able to delete this? Because this customer is not having any transaction data. If you post any invoices against this customers, if you post any transaction against this customer, then what will happen? Then deletion is not possible. Then permanent deletion is not possible. Then what you have to do, guys? You have to apply a block and then you have to set it for deletion. You have to set a deletion flag. Even in GL also, you can block that GL, you can apply a deletion flag against that GL. For vendor also, we have to follow the same thing. I hope you guys know how to block a GL, how to block a customer, how to block a vendor, how to apply a deletion flag for a GL customer and vendors. So that is the way. So that record will not be removed from SAP permanently, but at least what will happen? System will not allow user to post any transaction against that particular master data. But if you want to remove it permanently from SAP, of course there is a transaction code OBR2, but this can be deleted, this can be removed permanently only if any transaction data is not posted against that particular master data. Now there is one more thing which I have to explain. What we have done, we have set up this customer and we have deleted easily by using transaction code OBR2. So this is FI customer. Whichever this customer I have set up, this is FI customer, guys. Now what will happen? Look at here, general data and company code data. Only customer master number means general data, and here company code data I have given. Now we'll set up SD customer and then we'll try to delete this by OBR2 and we'll see what is the impact. So now, guys, if you and I hope, guys, you know this that SD customer or MM vendor. I'll tell you, whichever customer is like SD customer means the customer which is having the sales area data. If we have set up this customer for sales area data, also that customer is going to be treated as SD customer, and even MM vendor means purchase area data are going to be maintained against that particular vendor. If you guys know about FISD integrations and FIMM integrations properly, then you guys will be having a perfect idea about this. Anyway, so how to set up this customer? Again, XG01 itself. Right now I'll use a different company code, TM04. This is the account group I'm going to give, because TM00 against this one I have not created. It means like integration is not covered in this company code, still it is running, going on. So I'm using a different company code, and here sales area. Sales area is the combination of sales organization, distribution channel, and division, guys. Hope you guys know this. Okay, T4 and press enter. So now I'm going to set up a customer as the customer. Okay, click on company code. Once again, here a different recon account, and then sales area data. In sales area data, give any one detail, any detail here, just give it terms of payment and save it. So now what is happening here? We have set up a customer 100232. Now if you have a look here, XG03, this is the customer. It has been set up for general data, company code data, and sales area data also. Look at here, I'll remove all. Only customer number. Press enter. So if you press enter, now what is happening? General data. This customer, only general data is appearing. Okay, now here you can give your company code data, and then even company code data also will appear. Click on company code data, and this is the company code data information, right? So general data and company code data. If you want to check for sales area data, then you can give sales area here and press enter. So even this customer is, look at here, sales area data is also appearing. Now sales area data information are also there, right? So now here, now we'll do one thing. I'll delete this customer also, since there is no transaction data posted. Let's suppose by mistake we have set up this customer. So how to delete this? Now we'll try in OBR2 itself. What is the customer number? It is 32. So give here customer and in test run itself and execute here. So now what is happening, guys? Okay, just click on back button. Just click on back button. Now here are different things, in the sense like in every table system is saying that list contains no data. List contains no data. Okay, just wait. Here we have to change the company code also. Okay, here we have to change the company code also. Now execute and then click on back button. Okay, so look at here. System is ready. The system is reading lots of records, but all records are not getting deleted. Look at here. Here system is reading something. Okay, lots of tables are there, guys. Don't look into that again. Now, but all the records system is unable to delete. How and why? So I'll tell you. Generally here what is happening? System can, with OBR2, system will be able to delete the company code data, only. General data will be deleted only. If the sales organization data is deleted first. Okay. See, if you talk in terms of table, then what will happen if you talk about the customer master? So it is having general data means which table? KNA1 table. Company code data means KNB1 table. And sales organization data means KNVV, V for Varanasi, right? So KNVV table is there. So these three tables, it means. Now what is happening here? In OBR2, through OBR2, if you are going to delete this, then only company code data, in the sense KN B1 table is going to be deleted. It means this master data, this customer master is going to be deleted from which table? KN B1. But in order to delete from KN A1 table, in the sense in order to delete the general data, first of all you have to delete the sales organization data. Okay, and deletion of sales organization data is not possible through OBR2 transaction code. It means through OBR2 transaction code, you can delete general data and company code data itself. It means FI vendor, FI customers only can be deleted, or particular GL can be deleted with company code and chart of account. But if you are having SD customer and SD vendor, then what will happen? For that, we are having different transaction code. We are talking about customers. We'll have a look. Okay, we'll have a look. Or else, if by OBR2 if you want to delete, then what will happen? By OBR2 only company code data, in the sense KNB1 table, this customer master is going to be deleted from which table? KNB1. But KNA1 and KNBB table, still this customer is having records will be there in KNA1 and KNBB tables. In the sense, general data will be existing and sales organization data will be existing. So if you want to delete, I'll just do one thing. I'll delete this. Delete this customer. Make it yes. Okay, this is a production run. Now we'll have a look. Where it is, just click on back button. Okay, so now what is happening? This is the customer which we have deleted. Press enter. Look at the impact. The customer 10032 has not been created for company code. Just now we have created, but this customer has been deleted. Only company code data has been deleted from OBR2. Okay, and general data is still there. And why general data is there? because sales organization data has not been deleted, so general data is also not possible to delete. So by OBR2, this SD customer and MM vendor cannot be deleted. Now, I remove the company code data, and if you press enter, then look at here, guys, you will be able to see the customer. This is the general data. General data. Look at here, general data is there, and even sales area data is also there. So if you want to remove this customer, if you want to delete this customer permanently, then use a different transaction code. Then use a different transaction code, and that is it is OV52, I guess. Let me check. OV52. Let me check. Yes. And here we have to give this customer and then apply a check mark here with general master data in sales organization. What is the sales organization, guys? TM04, right? And even if you want to delete the company code here itself, you can give the company code also. In one go, customer is going to be deleted from sales organization, company code, and general master data. All three is going to be deleted from here itself. In OBR2, what we have done, we have deleted only company code. Now by OB52, we are going to delete this general data and sales organization. But by OB52, what will happen, guys? By OB52, even company code also can be deleted, provided you have to give company code here. Okay, so in one go itself, we can delete company code, general data, and sales organization. Everything will be deleted by OB52, not OBR2. OBR2 means only FI customer and FI vendors will be. Now here, remove the test run and execute it in production run itself. Press enter. Now it's done. It's done. If you have a look here, just come here and click on back button. Click on back button. So now company code data is already deleted. Now what we have deleted, guys? We have we have deleted company code data. Now we have deleted general data and sales organization data. So press enter. Look at here, customer has not been created. Okay, it means this customer is not existing anywhere. I'll just remove sales organization and we'll check for company code. Sorry, general data also. Press enter. So it is not existed. It means this customer has been deleted. Now here, in the same way, vendor also, but for vendor, what is happening, guys? For vendor, we are having again different transaction code. I guess the transaction code is SARA transaction code will be there. SARA. SARA transaction code is there. Here you have to give an archiving object, guys, and then you have to write it and then you have to delete it. Okay, that archiving object will be unable to remember right now completely. FI underscore something is there. Okay, if you search on Google, you'll be finding easily. So that object you have to give and then you have to write and then you have to delete. So this is how purchase organization is going to be deleted for a particular vendor. And once the purchase organization is deleted, then what will happen? From OBR2, you can delete the general data and the company code data. Okay. So this is how even vendor master data is also going to be deleted permanently. Now here we'll come back on our question, and the question is it possible to delete master data permanently from SAP system? So the answer is yes. The answer is yes, it's possible. Yes, it's possible, but there should not be here. Let me. But we can use but or provided. Okay, yes, it is possible, provided but there should not be any transaction data posted against that particular master data. Okay, what will happen if it is posted? Then in that case, we have to block and we have to set a deletion flag against that master data. Okay, if there is no transaction data posted, then we can delete that master data easily. Now, how we can delete, guys? So we can delete by using OBR2. Okay, but by OBR2 also there is certain limitations. Certain limitations in the sense, in terms of GL, there is no limitations because GL account is going to be set up at chart of account level and it is going to be set up for company code also. right? It is set up a chart of account and company code both. Whereas customer and vendor, customer means general data is there, company code is there, and sales organization is also there. Vendor means general data, purchase organization data, and general data, company code data, and purchase organization data is also there. So FI vendor means only general data and purchase organization data will be there. FI customer, general data and company code data once again. So FI customer and FI vendor can be deleted by using OVR2. If we are having SD customer and vendor, then what will happen in that case? OVR2 alone is not going to work out. Then we have to use a different transaction code. For SD customer, we are having a transaction code OV52, and for vendor, we are having a transaction code SARA transaction code. We'll try to record whenever I get a time. We'll try to record a separate video on that vendor master, how to delete this vendor master permanently in future. Okay, so this is how you have to respond, guys. That's all in this session, guys, and do subscribe this channel to get notifications of all my upcoming videos and update. And if anyone is looking for SAP FICO online training, then kindly visit kumarconsulting.in for more information, or even you can call me at the given number, which is 7416797921. Look at here, the country code 91 is already given because I'm from India. So that's all in this session, and see you soon with a new topic in a new video. Till then, just bye-bye and have a great day ahead.